How to fix error code Esp-dist-001 in Fortnite. So if you want to fix the error code Esp-dist-001 in Fortnite, then what you need to do is first just follow these steps. So ESP errors tend to be connection error codes. This can usually be fixed by clearing your console cache. So if you're using a PlayStation 5, these are the steps to clear your console cache. First, you need to hold the PS button on your controller and then select the power menu and select turn off PS5. Wait until your PlayStation 5 power indicator light shuts off. You need to press and hold the power button on the console until you hear a second beep to enter safe mode. This should take about 7 seconds. And after that, connect your controller to the console using the USB cable, press the PS button, navigate to clear cache and rebuild database using your controller. After that, you can clear your system software cache, go with OK, restart. Your console will be restart on its own and you can start your Fortnite. Or if you're using your PlayStation 4, then these are the steps that you can take to clear your cache. And if you're using your Xbox Series, these are the steps. And if you're using your Xbox, you can follow these steps. In Nintendo Switch, you can follow these steps. So after following these steps, you'll be able to fix your error code. It's nothing but just a connection error code, so you don't need to worry that much. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.